Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to stake on MEXC Platform. So to stake on MEXC Platform, here is a simple guide on how you can simply do that. So the first thing to do is to log into your MEXC account. So you can also do that using the website version or the app version. So if it is website, just go to mexc.com, and if it is app, just open your app and sign in with your credentials. So once you are logged in, navigate to the stake section, and on the home screen click on the earn or savings, then select staking from the drop down menu. Then on step 3, you have to browse the list of available staking options. So each product will display details like annual percentage yield, locked or period, and a minimum amount required. So select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Then after that, you have to enter the staking details. So input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to stake, then review the staking times, including the duration and expected rewards. Confirm your selection, and after staking, you can monitor your earning and staking status in the asset or staking section of your account. And that's how you can simply stake on the MEXC platform. Find the video helpful. If you did, subscribe and follow for more content like this. Thanks.